Windy as hell out, and the Amazon packages got here finally that have the stabilizers in them. So I'm gonna go ahead and take those guys out and we'll see how they hook up, because now would be a good time to use them. Got like 30-mile-an-hour winds today. So, all right, let's check them out. All right, so this is the first one. This goes under the back. The back bumper, and then this pulls it together somehow. Alright, we'll set this one aside for a minute. It's so janky. I don't know if that's going to do anything. That's some lightweight stuff. I think this was an open box special. Like somebody's taking it apart before. Yeah, I don't know if this is tall enough. Let's see, it says 44 inches. Did I screw up? Grumpy McFarlane over there. Yep, this is short, isn't it? Alright, after screwing around for a bit, I figured out I could use some wood blocks to help lift up the stabilizer. And then the gooseneck ball just goes right in your receiver. You twist it and it screws up higher and higher until it's nice and firm. That's it. And we had a lot of wind that day, and that really did make a significant difference. So, highly recommend. Let's go do the back. Alright, so it's pretty simple. You just put it right in the rear end. I use the support that holds my receiver hitch up, and then you just ratchet strap the legs together, and that's how it provides support. And as I'm showing you here in the video, you can see that my hydraulic stabilizers are way up by the rear wheels. So the back of the trailer sticks out probably a solid 15-20 feet. And with that much sticking out in the leverage, it can bounce around a little bit. I really was surprised it did do its job. We had a really windy day that day, and the trailer didn't bounce around and felt much more stable. In there, way up behind the curve. All this is just hanging out. I think this. Oh my god, I just came inside. It's so hot. It's 98 degrees out there. I didn't even realize it because it's fucking windy. But when you come inside, you feel it all of a sudden. I'm so out of shape. It's 97 in Colfax. It's fucking hotter here. Oh my goodness. Got some leaves got blown in there. Look at Bear. What's up there, man? No. It's okay. I thought it was a bird at first.
Bear, it's just leaves.
Why I like this is because it's easy, it's fast, it's fresh.
God, it's so windy. I don't know, man. Look at that windstorm here. tree's making me nervous. And it's been here for probably 30, 40, 50 years though, so you'd think it'd be okay.